Aadi, look, there's an offer on ice cream cones at the ice cream shop.
Oh wow, Eva, Kalin, come fast! What happened?
Is something wrong?
No. Something super yummy is happening. Let's go.
This is so cool. I'll take chocolate.
It's a season of mango. I'll take butterscotch. I can eat only one cone anyway.
Good choice, Aadi. I appreciate that. And hey, here's a fun idea.
What is it?
Why don't you all write a code for these offers?
Great idea. But first, ice cream time. Okay, team, let's code the ice cream offer. What do we need from the user?
Just the flavor they want, right?
Yep, that's it.
Haha, this looks like a menu card now.
But it's important. How else will the customer know what's available?
Right. Now check which flavor was entered.
I'll add the conditions using if-elif. Here we go. Offer, buy one, get one mango and one strawberry. Price, $35. Offer, sorry, this flavor is not available. Price, $0. Now, let's show the offer and price. Gogu, want to test our code?
Absolutely. Eve, your turn. What's your flavor?
Mango!
Output, please. Kalin,
Chocolate, please.
check your offer. Aadi, what about you?
Butterscotch. Woohoo! Our code is working perfectly! Wait, what about Gogu? What's your favorite flavor?
I want charging.
Even computer couldn't charge Gogu's flavor.
Hello, little coders. Today, we learned how to use if-elif-else in Python. You saw how each ice cream flavor had its own condition. If it matched, the right offer and price were shown. Remember, if checks the first match, elif checks the next options, else handles all the silly flavors like charging. Next time someone asks for an ice cream deal, give them code instead. Just kidding, give them ice cream too. See you next time, and remember, coding is cool, but ice cream is cooler.
Get ready for some fun? Watch the latest Aadi and Gogu episode, answer the questions, and you could win an awesome gift hamper. It's super easy. Just watch, think, and compete. So, grab your thinking caps and get ready to play. Stay tuned for the quiz and the chance to win big.